Right then, we're going to do a bit of more portering this week. I was going to do the carbs, and then I thought, sod it, I'll do the carbs and I'm more than ready getting it back up and running, and I can keep focused on them. So, yeah, let's have a look. Right then. So, as you can see, she's had a bit of a clean up, and as you saw in the last video, I've cleaned in here thoroughly. I've left the kitchen tiles there. They were from when we did the kitchen. So we've got loads of spares. They're all the same batches. Anyway. Right. Here we go. I did give her another little clean yesterday. Let's see down there. She's starting to show a bit of willing, like. No, then this wire in here, see there, it's melted. She's had a bit of heat. By the way, all these are part of the new loom. So, as I say, I run all this ages ago, so it's all part of the new loom. But what I propose to do today is maybe take the radiator out. If I can get that radiator out, this plastic trim then comes through here and everything's fixed to it. It's covering over the radiator up under there. Put the light on. That engine's starting to look lovely. Yeah, so yeah, I'll get that panel out. I'm sure I've seen, I can refurb all these as well, see? Get them all looking nice. You don't see them, but in the back of my mind, it'll be done then. I would have liked, see there's a bit of bubbling and all. I would like to replace this rad as well, but from what I've seen, they look like hen's teeth to get hold of. So, I don't know. I don't know if I'd be able to get a new rod for it. A nice aluminium one or something. Maybe. But I've seen these plastic things. I've seen them online. There's a Recycled Bikes Direct or something it's called. I'm sure I've seen that cover plate on there. I assume it's to stop all the heat rising into the air, because the airbox will be here, you know. I'm going to take these off. These coils, I think I've said this before anyway. The secret of doing this is, the way I like to do it is, take photos and photos and photos. As much photos as you can. And you can always look back then. So just take this couple of seconds to take a couple of photos and you won't go wrong. Before I go any further, I thought I'd show you this. You see all that crud around there? Yeah. So, anyway, got some part of the loom here, which goes to the temperature sensor. What's that? Can't remember what the hell it is. So, yeah. Now then, I assume we take these bolts off here. That bolt off there. And the same this side. Bolt there. And a bolt down there. And then she'll come off. I got, I think, in fact, this little one here, maybe for the fans anyway, is it? Let's have a look. Yeah, it is. You can see up the top there. So that's the power feed for the fans. It'd be nice to get these off. They're only bolted on. Yeah, there's a ground in here as well. So there's a ground. I use a Posi 3 to get that off. It's quite tight. In fact, it's been there for a long time. There's the ground there. So, yeah, we'll give it a... Taking the hose off there. I haven't ordered them yet. That goes down to the oil cooler. I haven't ordered them yet, but I will be ordering silicone hoses. They're about 70-80 quid. They come with a selection of all different hoses from here down. So yeah, might as well. Whilst it's off, innit? Might as well. Okay, right there. I'm going to take this rod off. It's already loose on the top. You see it's leaking now. Water's starting to come out of it. Right, I've loosened that side. Let's take this side off. Let's just make sure that it is going to be loose, you know. Oh, look. A little toot to that. Right then. Let's have a go again. Bloody fallen. Right. There she goes. Now, I'm going to get my hand through the top, I think. Now I know that's loose, and I'm right-handed. It doesn't feel too heavy, does it? It's all right. Oh, there's a bloody nut on this. Hang on a minute. Well, that bloody nut. Give me strength. I thought it was just turning it. There, you see that nut on it? I haven't got my glasses on, this is why. Right. Nut is off. Assume there's a washer in it. Over the side, is there a nut on it? Yeah, there has to be, doesn't it? Still, probably was my favourite actually. I can just pull it off then, you know. Right then. There's one. Right. How am I going to do this? I'm holding it by the frame of the fans. I don't want to hold it by the fins and things, you know. Right. Forward. Right, here we go. Drop it down. Now when? There's another one. Ah, there's a connector here for the other fan. So they are separate connectors. Right. And there she is. If you can't see the curve on that might help. Look at that. See, it looks. It's looking a little bit like caked, you know, and a bit corroded, but I'll see if I can get it record maybe. Right, I'm going to put that safe. Oh, so it doesn't get damaged. Put it there. For now. Right, okay. How's that? Now when? Now it's smoking. You can see the bloody, you can see everything, huh? Perfect. I've got a oil filter. Oh, that's the thought too. I've got an oil filter up there, which is sealed and all, but this came yesterday, so only the best. Well, my next step now is going to be to get these off, because I can just simply undo the connector here. In fact, I might do that now. Let's have a look. You just push the tab down and pull out. It's really awkward doing it on one hand, I must admit. There she goes. Obviously, probably got the grounds are shared and one positive for both, for each coil, probably. The other thing, I don't know whether this might help out somebody, is quite thing really, to be honest with you. Spark plug lead arrangements, they've actually, which is nice, they've actually got little numbers on them and colour coded. So, yeah. Sorry if you can hear me heavy breathing and wheezing. It's either excitement or bad health. Probably the latter. Oh, there's a pink one in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right across the block. So they probably haven't put it in fire in order, you know. Look at the state of that. I wouldn't mind cleaning that, all that up and spraying it, you know. You won't see it though, because the rad's in the way. But I like doing things that, you know, going that bit extra, like, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to pull the leads out now. Pull them through there. Take these off. And then I should be able to get this panel out. And I'll have a look, and I'll have a couple of beers after, and I'll have a look. Probably get another panel. And then it's not melted or anything. Lets me have a look under there as well, because there's probably a bit of soot. So probably a bit of soot around there anyway, because there was quite a bit of flames coming out there. So I will learn. Right, there's 2 screws holding this on. I've taken one out. It comes out all right. There's actually a number 3. I assume it's a palsy. Yeah, it would be palsy, wouldn't it? It fits these all right. It's a good little grab on them, you know. Let's have a look. There you go. Lovely. There's one. Same here. Just behind the leads there. I'm trying to do it. I tell you what, bloody hard. I'm trying to film and do this. Oh, she's loose. Lovely. One more over there. Oh, she's lovely as well. Right, we're now sucking on the right tit, I think the expression is. Well, that's cleared up a lot of space. And I tell you what, them plugs are deep down in there. I will have to, I think a mate of mine said that to blast it out, you know, with compressed air before taking them out. Right, this case here is a little thing here by the look of it. One of these little plastic things you undo. Oh, God. As I can see. You've got to be so careful taking these out. Not that they break, but... Oh, yeah. There's one. So, just pull him out. Bloody hell. I'll have to prise him out, I think. Let's have a look the other side. It's still a bit wet in here. I had that heater going all day yesterday in here. It did dry out quite a bit. Like, I mean, I pressure washed and everything, so. The heck is that? There it is. Is that it? I tell you what, my eyes have gone terrible. That's better. Come on, phone. For God's sake. Between you and my eyes, trying to make a damn video, yeah? Right. I'm going to have to, I can't do this with one hand. I'm going to, hang on. Right, I got one side out. Just got this side to do now. Oh, look at that. Well, you can't look at it because the bloody camera's pointing at it. Tell you, between my eyes, there, and she goes. Right. Put the other one there. I've got the other side out. What's going on here now? Let's have a look. Is it? It's loose. It's loose there. Is it held on by something here? I've got to take the tie off there for the loom, that's fair enough. But it should be dropping, unless it's fixed somewhere else. Oh, it's another bloody one up there. I tell you what, I need to start exercising. Oh God, come on phone. Focus, you're worse than my eyes, man. The whole thing is spinning. Right, I'm going to take these out and I'll come back. Well, the word of the day is progress. Just got that off the top of the casing there. I'll keep all the casing things here so they don't go flying. Right, and this thing is ready to pull off. As you can see, it's dropped now. So, here she comes. I will just slide it out. Look at that. Oh, as you can see now, that's where the melted bit is. That side has been melted a bit as well. Technically, it doesn't make a difference, to be honest with you, I don't think. It's still in good condition. You see the coil pack, the coils are just being screwed into little things. Plastic inserts. Well, that's the start. Let's have a look. See what our pride and joy looks like. Oh, look at that. Bloody hell. Plugs. So there's quite a bit of rust in there. Water's been... Oh. That one's right. And that one. Well, I might even just unscrew this for now. And so I can get in there. And I'm nearly ready. I could be doing compression tests on this. The plugs out. I'll show these first. Don't look too bad. A bit of fouling on them, but the bike wasn't running right when I had it, so that might be down to that. Same this side. They are actually NG Iridium. These are the ones that I bought. I've actually bought a new set of these. The water and all that, you know, obviously there's been moisture down there. I'm willing to bet when I threw the bike on its side when it was on fire, I'm willing to bet that I hosed this thing down for at least 20 minutes. I thought there's no way that's going to go on fire again. So I was there with a hose, putting it around the fairing and everything, made sure that it was out, and I thought, to hell with it, I just want it extinguished. So, I've got the 4 out, camera time. Let's get the camera down into the bores. Okay, right, you can see now, quite a lot of build-up of soot on here, man. There's the valves. This is on the side camera now, right? There's one of the valves. There's the cylinder wall. Top. I'll tell you what, there's some stuff in there. Yeah. Quite a bit of moisture being in there. I think I'm going to have to turn this round by hand, I think. When you look at, let's change the camera. There's the tool. Right, this is on top of the top of the piston now. Yeah. Bit crusty, mind. Yeah, and I did put oil down there. Well, that's the first one. Well, that's on top of the piston now, on the cylinder 2. You can see there is a bit of gunk on there. Let me just pull it up a little bit. Where the hell is that thing gone there? See, looks like there's some deposits in there. What I'm gonna do is let this soak, I think. I'm gonna put, oh yeah, it's not good, looking good there, is it? Right, that's again the side view on the top of the piston at the bottom there. So the wall is looking, the cylinder is alright, looking alright on that. Right then, let's try again. Right, I put the water pump back in because that's located in the engine. So when I turn the engine over, I'll see it moving, I'll see the engine spinning. I filled the cylinders with penetrating oil. I wasn't sure. Oh, I put it into second, I think. So first is down, second is up. Right. She's in second there. Let's try. See if I can get a bit of movement, is it? God, it didn't bloody budge. Try it in some of the other gears. Well, it did budge because it's not going into gear now. Down to fifth, I think. God. Try the other way. I'd probably end up undoing the bloody socket bolt or something. Shit. Well, let's go down the gears. Let's get it back in there. First, right, that's neutral. The thing is, I can't put it down. Can't really put it down because the brakes are quite tight on it. It doesn't seem to want to spin, I tell you. Let's go back to the drawing board, is it? As you can see, I've chucked a temporary wire onto the starter. I don't know whether that battery's any good, but we'll have a look. We'll have a go. All I'm hoping is the starter will have a little bit more kick, you know. Jolt it back, maybe. Let's try it, is it? Fingers crossed. It's not looking good. Definitely not looking good. Right then. Definitely seized. So there's some diesel. There's some transmission fluid. 50-50, I reckon. Right. I'm going to stir that up and inject it into the cylinders and leave it over there. Leave it for as long as I can. We'll come back we'll come back probably next week now and check if that fluid's gone through. If it has gone through between the rings and the cylinder lining, then we know that the rings are not sealed tight, you know. Just give it a chance to soak. We'll let it soak, and then who knows.
Spanners, Stella, and a big old spud.